Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn a great lesson and very nice and good lesson that some strong people always they take the benefit. So some are the weak people, they can't do anything. So in this story, those who are the strong and powerful persons, definitely whatever they want, they will do it. So in a small story, there are the two kinds of animals. One is a wolf, means he is a strong and he can attack, he can kill any animals. And also one lamb, one the kid of sheep, so very soft. It cannot attack, it cannot do anything. So in this story, one nice lesson is there. So what is that story? So one day the wolf was drinking the water in a stream. The water is flowing from upside to downside. Now the wolf is on upside and that wolf was drinking the water, and downside the lamb was drinking the water. Actually, the wolf wanted to eat that lamb. So now that wolf told that, oh, you are making the water muddy, you are spoiling the water. So that lamb replied humbly, sir, see, the water is coming from your side to me. So how can I make the water muddy? How can I spoil that water? The wolf got angry. So because he wanted to quarrel. Actually that wolf wanted to eat that lamb. So that wolf told that no. Last year you abused me, you scolded me. So lamb laughed and told that, sir, even I was not born in last year. How can I abuse you? How can I scold you? So now that wolf got angry and told that, acha, so you are not there. So it may be your parents, it may be your mother there who scolded me, who abused me. Now that wolf attacked upon the lamb and ate it. So here is a lesson that in many companies, wherever the people are doing the job, boss is always boss. Even he is wrong, he has the power. You did not do any mistake, he can fire from you. He can fire you. So he has the power. He can tell that you are coming late, your work is not up to date. So many things. So even though you are working there 1 year completed, 4-5 years completed, 10 years completed, so he has the power. So he can tell you anything. So in this story, we should learn the lesson. If anyone is firing you, so you should get such a skill that you can start your work anywhere. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want, please comment anything and remember me in your dua. Thank you very much.